Namaskar, this is Abhishek and you are watching Rebel News India. Today, in this special episode of Rebel News, I will tell about one of the special person of India, Prafulla Chandra Ray. Prafulla Chandra Ray was a well-known Indian scientist and teacher and one of the first modern Indian chemical researchers. He is known as father of Indian chemistry. He discovered the stable compound mercurous nitrate in 1896 and established Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Works Limited, India's first pharmaceutical company in 1901. He was also a very passionate and devoted social worker. He did not support the caste system. Let's have a look in his early life and education.
Prafulla Chandra Ray was born on 2nd August 1861, the younger of two brothers in the village of Daroli Katipara, now in Bangladesh. His father Harish Chandra Ray was a landlord who loved learning and he built up an extensive library in his home. Prafulla's mother Bhuvan Mohini Devi was well educated with liberal views. The family moved to Calcutta when Prafulla was 9 years old and he attended the Herd School. Unfortunately, Prafulla fell ill and returned to his village in 1874. It took time, 2 years, for Prafulla to recover and he was left permanently frail with digestive issue and insomnia. During his recovery, he enjoyed reading in his father's well-equipped library. He returned to Calcutta and attended Albert School and in 1879. After passing the entrance exam, began studies at the Metropolitan College, now Vidyasagar College. Prafulla also studied chemistry at the Presidency College and this soon became his favorite subject. He built a laboratory at home and began experimenting. In 1882, Prafulla won a scholarship to Edinburgh University, UK, and he gained his degree there in 1885. Remaining at Edinburgh to undertake research, he was awarded a DSc in 1887 and the Hope Prize for his thesis on conjugated sulfates of the copper mechanism group. Now let's have a look of contribution and achievement of Prafulla Chandra Ray. Prafulla Chandra Ray returned to Calcutta in 1888 and became an assistant professor of chemistry at the Presidency College in Calcutta in 1889. He established a research laboratory and slowly gathered a group of dedicated students who researched with him. He published around 150 research papers during his lifetime. Many of his articles on science were published in renowned journals of his time. In 1892, with a small capital of Rs 700, he established Bengal Chemical Works. It flourished under his management. The company initially produced herbal products and indigenous medicines. In 1901, the enterprises became a limited company, Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Works Limited, and India's first pharmaceutical company. Gradually, the company expanded and became a leading chemical and medicine producer. In 1916, Prafulla Ray retired from President College and joined Calcutta University, where he worked for more than 20 years. He represented many Indian universities at international seminars and congresses. He was elected as an Indian Science Congress President in 1920. He was very passionate and devoted social worker and he participated eagerly and actively in helping famine and flood-struck people in Bengal during the early 1920s. He promoted the khadi material and also established many other industries such as the Bengal Enamel Works, National Tannery Works and the Calcutta Pottery Works. He was a true rationalist and he was completely against the caste system and other irrational social systems. He persistently carried on this work on social reformation till he passed away. He died on 16th June 1944, aged 82.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.